Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at some different uses for would. We use would when we imagine if a current situation were different. I would get a new car, but I don't have money. So the current situation is, I don't have money. If the current situation were different, meaning if I had money, I would buy a new car. Let's look at another example. He would go surfing, but it's rainy. We use would have with the past participle when we imagine a past situation being different. She didn't tell her mom about her test. She would have been angry. So here, the past situation is she didn't tell her mom. If the past situation were different, if she had told her mother would have been angry. Let's look at another example. I would have called you, but my phone was dead. We can use wouldn't when someone or something refuses to do something. She told the man she wasn't interested, but he wouldn't leave her alone. I tried to push my car, but it wouldn't move. We can also use would to talk about things that happened regularly in the past. When I was a kid, I would go fishing all the time. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using would and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it.